Alright, everybody. What's up? So if you guys didn't tell, I'm in another car. And that's because I got a new car. We're actually at the car wash, the spray car wash, for us to wash it. So I'm gonna do a quick little like montage of us, a cool little wash of that. And I'm with Lizzie.
Yeah.
Alright, so as you guys just saw, we went and got it. Alright, anyways, so yeah, so what you just saw, as you guys see, I have a Evo 10. It's a 2012 GSR. Because your boy doesn't drive an automatic unless he wants to. So it's pretty clean. I got it for 18. It's kind of scuffed up, as you can see, scuff right there. But it definitely looks good. So now, as you guys are here on my journey, my life, you guys are gonna start seeing the journey in this car's life. I had just ordered an exhaust. I'm not gonna get a test pipe until I get it tuned. And soon is coming up the Cobb Stage 1 tune with the cold air intake, and then after that the test pipe, then the blow-off valve, and then yeah, we'll see where we go from there. But we're heading out now to get food. I'm with Liz, so you can see her right there, and yeah, so she's gonna get Subway.
Yeah.
And I'm probably gonna go and she's gonna get her eyebrows done, and I'm gonna go get Chipotle. So yeah. Liz got some Subway.
No.
And I got a little burrito. Subway burritos. My hand is the same length. I have tiny little hands. So, I'm gonna fucking obliterate this burrito though, because I'm hungry as shit. And then I'm gonna head home and get ready for a push day with Josh. You guys see me a couple videos back. So that's gonna be pretty cool. And yeah, so I'll see you guys after I'm done eating. Alright, so just like I said earlier, we destroyed that burrito, and Lizzie wrecked her sandwich, huh, Liz?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're heading home real quick. I need to pick up some stuff before the gym. I need to drop Lizzie off to her eyelash appointment.
Yes.
And after that, we're gonna head to the gym.
And my new eyebrows, they look bald now.
I don't even know if they can hear you because of the wind.
Oh,
it's really windy right now. So hopefully you heard her, and her eyebrows do look pretty good. There's a small little bald spot though, which I mean, you know.
Well, makeup will cover it up.
Yeah. Oh, it's windy as fuck. All right, I'll let you guys know. All right, so we're back at my house.
Don't even. Oh, heck no.
And there's my mom.
No, don't film me.
People want to know, how have you been so far since your surgery?
I'm fine.
Huh?
I'm fine.
Is that it?
Yeah, no paralysis. I'm fine. Moving on down the line.
Anything wrong
Hometown is about how
so far?
you do big things in
Nope.
small town.
Nothing?
No,
Really?
everything is fairly decent.
Yep, so she
Except for I can't hear out of my ear, but oh well.
Yeah, she's deaf in her left ear.
That's the way it goes.
If you guys haven't seen in a while, this is Otto. Remember from my older video? He's gotten really big. Look at him. He's bigger than Chug now.
Whoa!
Oh. So,
What are you doing? I think he's afraid of your camera. Whoa!
yeah, he's afraid of everything. So,
Whoa.
yeah, he is afraid of the camera.
Come here, buddy. It's okay.
So, me and Liz are about to leave. I'm gonna drop her off, like I said earlier, to her eyelash appointment. That's like right next to my gym. And then, I don't know if I told you guys either, Jesse is actually joining us. You haven't seen him yet. I don't know if Liz is still going to the bathroom. Where? What the heck? What a douche. But yeah, so Josh is probably gonna try and hit a new PR, which is around 235, 240 on the not deadlift, the bench. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing today for push. I am gonna incorporate the program. I'll explain that later. But yeah. So I'll see you guys at the gym. Alright, so yeah, we got Jesse and Josh, big boy Josh over here, rocking the Gymshark, of course. You know, I don't know who doesn't wear Gymshark. So, today I'm probably just gonna more fuck around, trying to get as much benching in as possible, and probably incorporate as much as a workout on the program as possible as well. But yeah, let's get started.
Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die, we live to die. And we're surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon. We are shadows.
That's PR, bro. Huh? Did you push?
We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die. It doesn't matter if there is no light anymore, no light anymore. Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die, we live to die. And we're surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon. We are
Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion. Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What the does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion.
Alright, everybody, so we are home right now. It's actually pretty late after coming back from the gym. We went out to Concord. If you guys know where I'm at, I live in Rodeo, California. But we went out to Concord. My friend Isaac was feeling pretty sick. You guys don't know him yet. Hello.
Hi, Joe. What time you got, Frank?
Good, how you doing? And so I decided to come home. Everyone went out to a car meet, but I'm not really feeling it. I'm kind of tired and everything. So let's bring this out of my room. Alright. Oh, what I wanted to talk to you guys about real quick was, if you guys don't know, I haven't done a video in quite a while. Mic's on, yep. So I started David Lade's DUP, whatever the fuck program. And it's mainly focused on, it's a push-pull leg split, which is my cup of tea. Let's go over to my fucking chair so I can lean back. Oh, I just kicked the shit out of you, Otto. What the fuck do you have my chain for, man? God. But I'm on the program, and I'm about almost done with the sixth week. It is a 9-week program. So you can see I did hit that 225. I've been waiting so fucking long, and it may look like Josh pulls up on it, but he told me he didn't. So I'm just gonna take his fucking word. I'm happy. 225 in my fucking book. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting for that. So basically the program focuses on more compound movements. It seems like more of a power lifter type program, which I'm actually liking, instead of a bodybuilder, or it's a power builder, which is, you know, what I'm trying to practice in. It focuses a lot on deadlifts and squats. And for chest, one day out of the week I focus on flat bench, and another day out of the week I focus on incline. If you guys see in the video, I don't do much incline. I just go a little heavy, and I do about 3 sets today. Because I kind of wanted to focus on flat today. And then, so, what the fuck else am I trying to say? So, I'm closing up on that soon. And if you guys didn't know, I actually weigh 175.5 pounds. And if you guys look back at my old videos, I weighed about 156, 57 pounds on my first ever video. So that's insane. So this bulk has helped me a lot. If you guys can see my old progress. And so actually after this video, I'm done with this program, I'm going to hit as many PRs as I possibly can, get as heavy as I possibly can, hopefully reach 180 by the end of this program, and then after that I'm going to cut down to 165, I would believe. So you guys there's going to be a lot. I'm going to stay lifting as heavy as possible to keep as much muscle as I can, but there's going to be a lot of cardio going to be involved, and my calorie intake is going to be very low, because my main goal is to cut for about a month straight and get as much weight as I can, or well, as fast as I can get to 165 as possible, to try and lean out a little bit, and then just continue to build up that. So so far, my PRs as of today, which is February 22nd, I have a 260 squat, a 370 deadlift, and a now 225 bench. And actually on the last leg day I hit 265, I believe, 3 reps, so that is definitely not my fucking PR. My PR for I hit 350 for 2 the other day, 2 or 3 on deadlift, so that's pretty fucking good. Hopefully on the end of this program I can hit like a 390 deadlift, a 275, 280 squat, and a 230 bench. I would be extremely happy with that. So yeah, so thanks for watching the video, everybody. I actually have another video that I'm editing. It is actually, I recorded it quite a while ago and just never gotten around to getting it because I've been focusing on getting my new car that you guys saw, my program, my working out, and working. So I've kind of been really busy, haven't really been able to do that. So yeah, so I'm gonna get back up on this, and yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to me, check out me and my friends' social medias down in the description below, check out my Twitch, and yeah, catch you guys next time.